Probably the biggest thing that had impact on me is we had expectations to work with orphans and refugees in Greece, and we kind of prayed into it for the full 9 months. Really excited about it. And then we get to Greece and we didn't have contact with any people the first couple weeks. We ended up painting fences and doing a lot of, I cleaned off paint off garage doors and things like that. I just remember praying like, God, like, why are we doing this? Our heart was so prepared to work with people. I thought this is what you had for us. I really just got like, God is a big picture God, and all these little things that we're doing is pouring into a greater purpose. And I remember telling my team, like, hey, I know we came in to impact people, but we have these contacts we can pour into and we can bless. And sometimes, like, by us cleaning up the paint off garage doors, it gives them a great opportunity to work with kids and pour into the people they already have a relationship with. So it was honestly really cool, giving up control and realizing my expectations of what I want is not always what God has and the best big picture thing. And it was cool because by the end of the trip, our contacts came up to us. They said, wow, you were so foundational to moving forward and for our ministry. Now we have places for people to come and build a relationship with us. So that was really cool. Not what I expected, but what God had for this trip. So really awesome. Big picture God.